So, I'm supposed to explain how I would fix this country's healthcare system. And a lot of people like to say that the best way to go about doing that would be to completely repeal the Affordable Care Act, also known as Obamacare, and replace it with something different. And the reason they say that is because there's a lot of cons about Obamacare currently. That made a lot of people lose their company insurance because the company didn't want to pay for it. It made a lot of people lose their private insurance because it didn't cover things that insurance is now required to cover. It cost a lot of people a lot of extra money because they were receiving certain treatments for the first time and they just couldn't afford all that. And it wasn't implemented well. The website crashed a lot, it didn't work well, and I understand all those issues. But personally, I believe that the best way to fix this country's healthcare system is to continue to use the Affordable Care Act, also known as Obamacare, and fix it. We go about fixing things in this country all the time. We've been doing it since we were founded. We make amendments to our Constitution to make things better. And so Obamacare at its core is doing what's best for this country. It's providing health care to people that previously couldn't afford it, and it's making sure that people that have pre-existing conditions can get the treatment that they need and that their families don't have to go in debt to support them. So what we need to do as a country is to come together and make sure that we take everything that all of us know is wrong with the Affordable Care Act and amend it, just like we amended our Constitution. And once we do that, I think we'll start to see a lot of people realizing how good the Affordable Care Act could have been.